Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to add background music to Canva presentation. In order to do that, you have to come on this website called Canva. After that, you have to either create a new design, or if you have created already a design, for example, recently I have created this one. If I want to add background music in this project or presentation, I will just simply click here, and as you can see here, there is a timeline. Now I have to search music for that. For example, I will just click on that project and go to elements and search for audio. Right now the audio is available only for premium version. If you are not a premium subscriber, what you can do is to google pixabay.com, which is very free to use, provide free to use music. Pixabay. And now from here you can select your uh, preferred music. For example, for just example, I will just download this one, and I will give the path and I am download. Now just simply upload that music into the Canva, as you can see here, or just simply drag into your timeline. Just upload on in the Canva. So the music is uploading. Just wait a little bit, wait few seconds. Now the music has been uploaded. Just simply drag to that background music to the drop location in the timeline. As you can see here, the music has been added. Uh, you cannot control endpoint and endpoint, so you have to make sure you have drag in the right place. So this is how you can add your background music to the Canva presentation. If you like this video, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.